Alright, let's settle this once and for all. Liquid membrane versus sheet membrane for waterproofing your bathroom. If you're tackling a renovation or just curious about what's hiding behind your tiles, this one's for you. First up, liquid membrane. Imagine painting on a super tough raincoat for your bathroom walls and your bathroom floor. You just roll it or brush it on and it dries into a seamless, flexible layer. No joints, no seams. So it's brilliant for awkward shapes. Corners, weird little nooks. If you've got a wonky old bathroom, liquid membrane's your mate. But you've got to be patient. You usually need 2 coats, sometimes 3 coats, with drying time in between. And if you miss a spot, you could end up with leaks down the track. So prep and attention to detail, absolutely crucial. Now sheet membrane. Think of it like sticking down a giant waterproof sticker. It's a pre-made sheet, often rubber or plastic, that you lay over the surface, then glue down and tape down. Sheet membranes are super consistent in thickness and they're tough as nails. They're great for big, flat areas and places where you want extra strength, like shower floors. The catch? Getting those sheets around pipes, corners, and drains can be a bit fiddly. You need to overlap and seal the joints properly, or you'll get leaks where the sheets meet. But once it's in, it's rock solid and ready for tiling almost straight away. So, which one's better? Well, it depends. If you're after flexibility and you've got an older bathroom or oddly shaped bathroom, liquid membrane is a top pick. For new builds and big simple spaces, sheet membrane might be quicker and tougher. Here's a pro tip. Sometimes the best jobs use both. Sheet membrane for the floor, liquid membrane for the walls and tricky bits.